She's 5-5 in the playoffs with the broken nose. The mask is her friend.
We'll see how it goes tonight, Ali. You are watching the 2018 WNBA playoffs on ESPN News. Quickly into Griner. The double comes. Griner passes out of it. Good rotation here to Bonner, who connects on a deep three, and a different start for Bonner. He could not ask for a better start here. Bonner diving inside, flips it home. An 8-0 right hook from the Phoenix Mercury on the road to begin Game 5.
Great footwork when she gets inside the paint. 6'4", she is.
And each of the big three already with one personal for Phoenix as Griner strong hands the pass and finishes inside. A 13-3 start.
Deep position and catching with 2 feet in the paint.
Bird will pop and hit from 3. Taurasi will fire away and connect on a bomb.
Taurasi though, deep range. She hasn't gotten many open looks in this series.
7-point Phoenix lead. Stewart, a catch in the center of the lane, elevates and gets the roll.
Is built for these moments.
A 4-time national champion. Griner, the deep catch. That's too easy for Brittany Griner.
He has her by about 40 pounds.
Stewart, quick first step, slides inside, cups it in with the left hand. Bird playing with the mask after a 5th broken nose. Bird lays it up on the delivery from Stewart. 6-point game. Bird, the jumper is good. Makes her move early, stops and throws it away. Critical mistake by Canada. Bonner takes advantage on the other end. The rookie Canada creating a potential 4-point swing, and that will do it to end the first. Rookie Jordan Canada. Here is Turner connecting on a 3. They will review it. Toe looked like it might have been on the line, but how good has Yvonne Turner been?
Yvonne Turner only getting the start because of injury to Stephanie Talbot, and she has been spectacular.
Lloyd checking to the scorer's table now. Nice find from Canada. Whitcomb, the floater is good.
She is the primary defender who has given Lloyd so much difficulty.
Turner, quick move inside, got bumped, and finishes. Yvonne Turner, Game 5 for the role player.
In Game 3, Yvonne Turner came in and had 19 points, and she used her quickness to get by the defense.
Here comes Taurasi, guarded by Whitcomb. Griner on the move, lays it in on the delivery from Little. Experience from January, Little, Griner, Taurasi for the 5 on the floor. As Stewart hooks it in, difficult shot and a nice touch. Here is Lloyd. Lloyd dips inside and puts it in. First half of Game 5.
Normally, you can get up on Brittany Griner out there. You don't expect her to do that. You do, however, expect Brianna Stewart to do that.
Stewart right around Taurasi. Hits the jumper. Brianna Stewart with 13 in the first half. Well, Griner couldn't squeeze it in, and Howard the rebound. Here comes Bird. Lloyd open. Lays it in. Great vision from Bird, despite the mask.
Her ability to deliver the basketball exactly where her teammate wants it. Result.
Taurasi wants it, takes it, and hits it. Diana Taurasi has never lost the winner-take-all games, 13-0. Stewart looking for help, gonna force it up, and in. Turner goes right around Bird and lays it in. Trying to work in on January. Nice defensive stand from January. January gets free and lays it in on the other end.
Strong physical player with a background in karate. She is a black belt from her early teen years. Her balance, her footwork, her toughness, her hand-eye coordination.
Which is when Phoenix got hot. Bird off on a 3. Howard the offensive rebound and the putback. Ball, nice job by Turner to poke it to Bonner. Griner trying to pass out of the double. Shot clock at 5. January with poise. Taurasi connects on a 3. Seattle trying to answer. Stewart flips it in. Reiner gets the space and lays it in.
Such a difference on the offensive end for these teams.
Phoenix has increased their lead in the third as Whitcomb couldn't finish. Long rebound out to Clark. Whitcomb fires and hits the three. Right out of her hands and into the hoop.
This is the shot that ties it, but it's because of Sammy Whitcomb getting to the glass.
Stewart. Patient. Into the lane. Stewart flips it in. 21 for the MVP. The lead is down to 3 for Phoenix. Whitcomb through traffic. Can't flip it in. Gets it back though. Clark to tie. You bet! Phoenix has been erased, and Sammy Whitcomb off the bench for Seattle. A huge reason why.
She has made a difference, making hustle plays.
Here's Turner, who had a monstrous first half. Reiner gets the touch and squeezes it in. Reiner trapped, trying to work out of it. Maybe got away with a travel. Crowd thought so, and Turner connects on the 2. Seattle needs a bucket here. Langhorn, center of the lane, finds an open Clark. Her jumper is true. It's going to grab it in Seattle. Canada eyes up, look out behind. Canada all the way in, tie game! Canada fell, Stewart able to collect. In traffic, finds Canada. A 3 is good! Seattle, their first lead of the night as the rookie delivers. Bonner got hit, puts it in, and the foul! Taurasi backs it up. 7 to shoot. Taurasi in on Stewart. Taurasi curls it in. Stewart will take and hit on a 3. Taurasi eyes it and cans it. What a response from Diana Taurasi. Bird wants to respond and does. 2 free throws coming for Stewart. How about the shot makers in this game?
You got them on both sides.
10 to shoot. Bonner on the move, bodies in and finishes. Bird wants it. Bird waits, takes, hits. On the season.
The great pacing by Sue Bird, and it doesn't always have to be quickness. Stop, let the defender go by.
Screen gets it to her on the roll. Excellent lead feed. Stewart couldn't finish, no foul. Howard keeps it alive. Bird connects. It's Sue Bird's building. Stewart wants it, takes it, and finishes it. Whitcomb will back it out and get it into the arms of Bird. Bird will take, you bet! She's unconscious right now!
Brian, how about the fourth quarter of Sue Bird?
Her team controls the basketball. Wide open Clark, lays it in! And they can taste it at Key Arena. Timeout Phoenix. 9 on the glass. Bird will let it wind. 8 to shoot. Bird heaves. Truth!
Time again here in the fourth quarter from Sue Bird. You earned that.
Won 4 elimination games, including games 3 and 4 of this series. Do they have any magic left? Reiner, the turn, and the quick 2. Phoenix was a plus 47 in fourth quarters through the first 4. Seattle has dominated this one as Taurasi cruises in for 2. And the Seattle Storm down by 11 in this game. Diana Taurasi, the greatest of all time in this league, will check out after another terrific postseason. Turner puts it up. That will do it. On the back of Sue Bird, the Seattle Storm are headed to the WNBA Finals. And Sue Bird and Diana Taurasi meet and hug at center court.